Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of my channel. My name is Fiona Akinyi, and if you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. So today's video is a makeup tutorial, and today's video will be kind of different from the usual ones that I have already posted before, because I feel like yapping, I feel like talking. And so if you're interested in knowing the kind of products I'll be using for this particular tutorial, just go to the info section below and you'll find everything that you need to know. And today, this weekend for me has been so hectic, honestly. I just feel like yapping, honestly. I edited a video. I had the footage, I edited everything, and everything was set, and I was actually supposed to upload the video that Friday evening, but hell broke loose. Virus is the devil, honestly. Like, virus is the devil. So now, as I'm talking to you people, my laptop crashed with all the footage inside there, and so now the video that I was supposed to upload on Friday, I'm not sure if I'll even get it in the first place. And even as I'm recording this other video, I am not sure. Okay, let me not say I'm not sure. Initially I wasn't sure. Initially I was just like, I'm doomed, like this is it, I'm done. I was feeling so bad from Friday and Saturday. Like, this weekend has just been bad for me, because I was hoping to upload that video, but things are not going as planned. And even right now as I'm recording this video, I'm just like, I'm crossing my fingers and trusting and hoping that God is gonna come through for me. So I found someone who told me they're going to help me. Okay, this person was supposed to help me bring my laptop back to life, but that person wasn't able to do so. Something happened, some technical issues, so it was just like, your laptop just has so many issues, so I wasn't able to sort out the issue. But then he told me he's gonna help me out tomorrow. Like, hopefully if I take the laptop tomorrow to him, he'll sort it out for me, and then I hope I'll be able to get my laptop back. And to add to this issue, to add to this problem that I'm having already, I hate this weather, honestly. Why? I honestly hate the cold weather. I hate it. I hate when it rains. I just hate the rain. I hate that it's cold. I hate that we have dark clouds. I hate that it's boring and wet. Honestly, I hate it when it's wet. Ugh, I hate it. But yeah, I've been down-ish this weekend, but I just told myself, let's try be positive. Let me try and bring myself back to my usual element and record. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna have faith. I'm gonna trust God that my laptop will be okay by tomorrow, and somehow I'll be able to recover the videos that I already edited last week, and I'll be able to upload it tomorrow for you people. So this video that I'm even recording right now, I think hopefully by God's grace, it's gonna go up on Wednesday. Yeah. So I haven't been feeling so good, but just like, okay, let me just try to do the things that usually make me happy, make me feel some type of way, make me feel good. Then hopefully I'll be okay. It's raining even right now as I'm recording right now. Like, it's raining and it looks so ugly. Like, I just hate clouds. I hate it when it's wet and cold, and I hate it. Yeah. So let me try clean up my brows. So if hopefully things go well tomorrow, because this guy, he's should I say technical savvy or something. Yeah, if he sorts the issue tomorrow, I'll be so grateful to God, honestly. I'll be so grateful. So grateful. So I even decided to record my video today, this video today, just because I know tomorrow I'll be busy. Tomorrow I have errands to run, so it's just like let me just try and see how things will go today. Let me try and record, because okay, let me tell you something as well. You know, when I started my YouTube channel, but today's on 4th, tomorrow will be 5th, so I'll be 2 months since I started my YouTube channel. My first YouTube video went up on 5th of January, so tomorrow will be 5th of March, so I'll be 2 months since. And my goal, or my main aim, like I was just trying to challenge myself. I was like, if I start a YouTube channel, I will always be consistent, and I will always try to, you know, post content for you guys every single week. Initially I was like, okay, I'll be posting 3 videos every week, and then this challenge of my laptop yeah, so I'm still up to the challenge to be posting content, like to be posting videos every 3 times per week. Yeah, so like, even though things are not going as per my plan, that won't stop me from doing what I want to do. Yeah. You know, I realized, okay, not that I realized, it dawns on me every time I go, like every time I face a hurdle, it dawns on me that faith is hard. Okay, FYI, I'm a Christian, so that's I'm talking about faith. For those who don't know, I'm a Christian, so there are days when I'm just like, it's okay, you know, when I'm not going through a challenge, it's easy to say, have faith, it's going to be okay, God's gonna come through. But wait until something comes up, that's when you realize faith is easy. Like, it's not that easy, it's easier said than done. But yesterday when I went for my laptop and that guy told me that my laptop is not yet ready, I was just like, you know what, I choose to have faith. I choose to trust God that everything will turn out right, because there are no plans of getting a new laptop. Okay, you know, maybe someone will be like, that's not a big deal, but if you're not going through any problem, you won't understand. My laptop, like, I honestly depend on my laptop for so many things. So why not say the devil, but God is greater. So I just hope that things will go right, hopefully by tomorrow. Hopefully by tomorrow. So I'm actually using a red, so I first of all used a red shade as my transition color, and then I'm using a dark brown for my crease. Yeah. So I'm done with my eyeshadow, and I'm usually the type to always have a serious eyeliner, like a serious winged line. I usually like it, but today I'm trying to dare myself not to have one. I'm just going to go with my mascara, and then I hope I won't look weird, like I want to look like I'm barefaced. The next thing is my foundation. So we are gonna blend. What are we looking for? So we're gonna highlight. And by the way, if I post a video on 5th tomorrow, 5th of Monday, just know that my laptop was sorted out. My laptop issue was sorted out and everything went well. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I was talking too much here and there and everywhere and nowhere and nothing, but yeah, I just feel like talking to you guys, and I feel like talking to you kind of makes me feel more open with you guys. Yeah, I hope it works. I hope it's okay. I hope it wasn't too boring. But though, I'd like to know, do you guys go through this stuff and talk to people? What do you do? Like when you go through hard stuff or something that you don't like or hurdles in life, what do you guys do? Sometimes I cry. Like I don't usually cry a lot, but when I cry, yeah, I do really cry. Like I cried on Friday. I cried because it was just too hard for me and too hectic. I was overthinking, but right now I'm much better. I'm just like, God's gonna come through for me. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. If you kind of relate to what I was talking about, please like this video and comment below and say something about it. Something that if you relate to something or anything. And if you like this kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button on your right side so that you don't miss any future videos that I'll be posting. And yeah, pretty much it. Bye bye. Let me go wash my face and then relax. It's Sunday. It's around 4 o'clock and I need to rest. I always sleep on Sundays afternoons because I just need to sleep. I need to sleep. So yeah, I don't know what to think. Okay, can't drink. Bye bye.